This is a cheap golf glove that's one of my favorites. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I like to golf, and most people wear a glove. Fred Couples does not. Do you know why? Because he grew up kind of poor and didn't have funds to buy gloves when he was a kid, so he just learned to golf without it, which is pretty awesome. Now, you don't need it, but golf gloves make a wonderful difference here. Now, this one is actually by PGM, Precision Guided Munition up there. I guess maybe that is their company name. But I picked this up, and I picked up a couple of them now because they are inexpensive, but they are great. So I just wanted to show this to you because I don't think this is Cabrata leather. I think this is microfiber. This whole material right here is kind of like a microfiber cloth. It breathes really well. It has a little bit of stretch and it's pretty grippy, and that actually helps, I think, keep the cost down because there isn't a leather component. And this little black part here is a very stretchy, thin material, some sort of nylon maybe, but man, that breathes great, and so my hand never gets clammy or sweaty like it does in some of the leather gloves. But what I really love about this is on the reverse side, we have all these little silicone dots right here. So on the fingers, on the palm, on the thumb right here. So when you put this on and you are gripping your golf club, man, you just get such good traction on there. You don't feel like you have to really bear down on it because nothing wants to slip out of here. It's kind of like football receiver gloves, right? And like I said, all of this is super soft, super comfortable, feels great on the hand, and it just breathes. I mean, that's the great thing. Now, the other thing I really love about this is that it fits my hand really, really well. Even though this doesn't have as many size variations as some of the other big brands, this is just kind of a medium large, and you can see the PGM logo and a little carbon fiber like tab right down there. But man, fits my hand really, really well. Normally I would wear a medium large cadet, but this one is just great. Right out of the envelope, it feels great, and they work really, really well. I loved it so much I ordered a bunch more of these because these are really my go-to glove of choice. But if you want to pick up a PGM golf glove and you've been holding off because you're saying, man, they're half the price of other brands of golf gloves, can they be any good? Well, I'm just telling you, I really love it. Hey, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
If you wanna know about a brand, ask me. I'll check if what's in the bag's nasty. Better if you know what's up than the unhappy. I know what it feels like when they're done cashing. They tried their meal or drive their vehicle. Garbage delivered at your PO. I know you feel you wanna scream, your head hurts on your pillow.
Discover more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Explore deeper.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Live better.
This is a cheap golf glove. This is a cheap... Oh, man.